Here, we were all about helping men elevate their fashion game without breaking the bank. Whether you're just starting to build your wardrobe or you are looking for ways to dress sharp on a tight budget, had got you covered. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you will never miss out on our affordable style tips. Today we are diving into one of the most asked questions in men's fashion: how can I dress well without spending a fortune? This video is all about actionable, real-life tips that you can use immediately to look stylish and feel confident. Even if you're on tight budget, let's get started. The power of thrift shopping. First up, thrift shopping. Now, I know thrifting might not sound glamorous, but it's honestly one of the best keeping secrets in men's fashion. You would be surprised by how many hidden gems are waiting for you at your local thrift store. From classic leather jacket to timeless denim, you can find quality pieces for a fraction of the retail price. Keep an eye out for high quality fabrics like wool, cotton and leather. These materials last longer and often look more expensive than they actually are. Just because something is second hand does not mean it cannot look first class. Focus on the basics. You don't need a closet full of clothes to dress well. In fact, most stylish men have a capsule wardrobe, a collection of versatile, timeless pieces that can be mixed and matched in multiple ways. Start by investing in these key basics: a crisp white shirt, a solid colored blazer, well-fitted jeans, a black or brown belt, neutral colored sneakers or loafers. These items never go out of style and can be paired with almost anything. The best part, they are easy to fit at affordable prices. Stick to neutral colors like black, navy, grey and white. These shades are easy to style and make your outfit look sleek and put together. Learn how to layer. Layering is an art form in fashion, and when done right, it can make even a simple outfit look more expensive. Here's the secret: you don't need fancy or designer pieces to pull off layering. It's about combining what you already have to create depth and interest. A basic t-shirt layered under a denim jacket or a sweater under a blazer can instantly even elevate your look. Experiment with different textures and colors to create contrast. Plus, layering make it easy to transition between seasons without having to buy a whole new wardrobe. Invest in timeless accessories. Sometimes it's the little detail that make the biggest difference. A classic watch, a leather belt, a pair of sleek sunglasses can instantly upgrade your look. Accessories don't have to be expensive to look high-end. Focus on quality over quantity when it comes to accessories. A well-made belt or watch can last years and give any outfit a polished, refined look. DIY fashion upgrades. Here's something different for you. Ever thought about upgrading your wardrobe with some DIY hacks? Small tweaks like cuffing your jeans, hanging buttons on a shirt or jacket, or even adding a coal patch to your denim can make your outfit feel custom and high-end. You don't need to be fashion designer to make your clothes look unique and stylish. For example, swap out cheap plastic button for more sophisticated wooden or metal ones, or turn a basic white shirt into something more personalized by adding a small embroidery design. These tiny details will set your outfit apart without costing you extra cash. Master the art of fit. It doesn't matter if your clothes are expensive or affordable, the fit is what really makes the difference. Even the cheapest clothes can look sharp if they fit you perfectly. Spend a little extra to get your clothes tailored, or better yet, focus on making your jeans, shirts and jackets fit snugly at the shoulders, waist and sleeves. A well-fitted outfit always look more expensive and put together. Shop off-season. Want to score big saving? Buy clothes during the off-season. Retailers often put items on clearance to make room for new stock, which means you can grab high-quality pieces for a fraction of the original price. For example, buy winter coats in spring and summer tees in the fall. This tactic will help you stay ahead of the curve and build a wardrobe of versatile pieces without blowing your budget. Don't underestimate sales and discount codes. Never pay full price. Use sales, clearance events and discount codes to your advantage. Always check if your favorite store is running a promotion or has a loyalty program that offers exclusive discount. You would be surprised how much money you can save just by being patient and waiting for the right deal. Take care of the clothes you already have. Follow the washing instructions. Avoid over drying and iron or steam your clothes to keep them looking fresh and crisp. Well maintained lint clothes last longer and look better, which means you would not need to replace them as often. Invest in shoe cleaner and lint roller. Trust me, nothing ruins a great outfit faster than dirty shoes or lint covered clothes. At the end of the day, fashion is not about spending huge amount of money, it's about how you carry yourself and the confidence you exude. Dressing well on a budget is not only possible, but it can also be fun. The key is to be smart, creative and resourceful with what you have. Don't forget to subscribe to mStyle for more videos on how to look your best without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and remember, style is all about how you express yourself, not how much you spend. Subscribe now for more tips on how to dress well, feel great and look confident without burning a hole in your wallet.